The killer cat. This is part 1 of the kitty cat. Now, as we observe the wild kitty cat, Nala, she sits there disturbedly. Gavin has kicked it in the face. Now Nala is on the move. Thank you, Gavin. She is jumping up on the
Anybody got a cheeseburger?
She jumped up on the shelf. And now she sits there awkwardly again.
You over there, you got a cheeseburger?
And now she yawns of the wildcat meow. And now this is a third person view of. This is a first person view of me spitting in a chair. Then there's the beautiful, majestic Nala. Now, as we observe the Nala, we watch as she licks herself delicately. Then we watch the Gavin. I don't know what to do. This is what we do.
Michael Jackson time.
No, Gavin. No, Michael Jackson's house. And that was part 1 of Cat Watchings.